Yo, what up, fools? I'm back at it again, Holmes. Bam, bam. We are putting this Coverlay on today. So there's a pretty, it's a full page of instructions here on what you have to do it. But we're gonna YouTube magic through all of it, pretty much. So first step before I put the dash in the car was to actually cut down the big grooved parts that were kind of sticking up high and would make, you know, high spots so where this thing would not be able to sit level. So the second thing they want you to do is basically clean it with an ammonia-based cleaner. They recommend Windex. I got a brand new bottle of Windex over there. First thing that I did was I took all these cracks in the dash and kind of ran my razor blade over them, kind of sanded them down a little bit just so that there was no high spots. And the next thing that they recommend doing is basically just taking your Windex and cleaning it. So let's do that. First couple swipes here, it's pretty dirty. So yeah, this might take a minute. Probably should have used a rag. Maybe not, I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff all over the dash, so now I gotta bust the vacuum out. Basically, they want you to put it, the silicone that is to attach this, is just silicone. They want you to put it all the way around all the edges, basically, and none in the middle, and kind of just like go around every little hole one time. There's only a few holes here. This is the only one that I'll actually have to like make a bead around, other than the vent holes that are, two that are there and the other big one here in the middle. But I mean, I'm just gonna go around the edges, basically where I'm gonna apply the silicone and sand there, and then we'll clean it off again one time with Windex, and then we'll be ready to apply glue and stick this thing inside the car. Let's do it. It's all sanded down. It's hard to see, but I just literally ran a groove all the way around all the ends and edges of it. Now we're gonna give it some of that Windex special. Clean me up. Not too bad. Once again, I'm kind of just doing the spots that I had sanded. It'll be the only spots with glue. Oh no. So as you can see, I'm kind of leaving gaps in it. That's what they said to do in the instructions. You don't want a solid bead. You want it to have a little bit of flex, apparently. They recommend that you can put it in a hot water cup if it helps. Okay. Okay. Gonna go around this guy. Hit this edge. This one I'll move, yeah. Yep. Go around this guy. That's a spot that I didn't put any in. Just gonna spread it out a little bit so that it doesn't come out. So obviously the idea here is to not get glue all over everything. But at a certain point, kind of forced. Got it. Oh, got my thumb in it. Okay. Got a little bit of glue on my thumb here. I want to get rid of it before I start spreading it all over. Oh, well, that'll work. It's gonna roll on the street. Oh, whatever. Oop. Might have knocked it out of play here. Alright, so basically for this section here, we're gonna put like the stuff that I have on the hood there. Oh man, keep knocking down. I'm gonna put, you know, that on top of here to weight it down. And then like over here on these parts, I'm gonna have to put some cardboard so that it'll sit nice. It's already sitting nice. Of course, I test fit this before I even put it in. It looks amazing already, and I haven't even taped it or done anything. All right, so let's get my cardboard wedges. Only pre-cut 5. See if we can get away with that. I think that should be sufficient. One in the corner, one in the middle, one on the end, and then one in the middle of each of those. Definitely made it go down. I think I'm gonna need more. I'm just gonna put more, because why not? All right. Wow. Screw you. Wow, I just look like I'm about to cut my finger off, huh? Just in case. Boom, boom, boom. And 3 small ones. So yeah, as you can see too, the floorboards are a mess. All my electronics tools, I'm kind of fixing all this. It's getting there. But this was kind of impeding me because A, I'm going to put my speed sensor back. The GPS sensor goes like right here on top of the vent. So, and you can see my dash, the Coverlay just went down a little bit when I just put that piece of cardboard in there. So we're gonna cardboard it up. Okay, now I think I'm gonna actually cut more pieces of cardboard and stick them in the middle of this V here, kind of wedge the V out more just to make sure that's perfectly matting it down. We're gonna throw some tape on these sides right here to make sure this is pulling down. Where's my tape at? Silicone on it is still wet, so it says it takes 8 hours for this stuff to fully cure. Wow, what a terrible tape roll. I think it'll work though. We're gonna tape the hell out of this too. I got another roll in the garage I'm about to go grab because this is just gonna annoy me till I'll get out. You serious? Alright. I'll just have to put more of it. It's not even gonna stick. There we go. Through the vent. You know, adapt and overcome, people. That's the name of this game. Can't do it, figure it out. I think that's sufficient enough. That's definitely holding it. Under here it actually goes under the lip, so that's pretty sweet. Over here just needs the books to hold that down. Over there we need some tape. Let's open up the old side. Oh, now, wow, are you serious? This is the stuff right here, folks. Alright, this one was a good roll. Well, why wouldn't I do exactly the same thing? Just makes sense. Oh, well, this vent actually has a vent in it, so it doesn't let you go all the way through it. At least not easily. I think I can still make it happen though. Come on. Come through, baby. I feel you. Don't rip. Oh, you ripped. Okay. You're a bitch. Fuck you. That's clearly not doing nothing. Let's try the more strategic approach. Adapt and overcome, people. Adapt and overcome. Alright. That's definitely tight enough for that. Can I get around here? Yeah. Same strategy. Feed it through instead of trying to pull it through. Boom. Gotcha, bitch. And going back through that way might be a little tough, so we'll just tuck it. Tight enough. Alright. I'm happy with that. I think this will be a great addition to this car. Make it look like it's clean again. Look from here. Bam, clean. Alright. Put these on the dash like these. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to put more cardboard in there. I made a cool noise. Let's make people at home nervous. Man with knife. Cutting crazily. I don't even know how many pieces I have inside of there. That was a bad cut. How about that? Really ruined my blade. You want a new purse. It's definitely working. I can feel it getting nice and tight. Yes! Dang, almost one short. What are the odds? Probably pretty good. Nothing ever works out. And I probably could have cut one of those in half. But no, I'm gonna go over here, cut another one. Because FML, right? That was the last piece over here that I didn't cut. And of course, it's like the hardest. It doesn't want to come out. There you go. We'll go this way. Screw you, car. Yes. Alright, now we're ready for this nonsense. Let's put the book on first. Book on first. Then we got the papers. Papers. Alright, that's it. So yeah, now I just have to wait until tomorrow, let it dry, and then I can start doing some more of the wiring and stuff for the dashboard here. Woo! I'm excited. I need to figure out how to get paint. I'm thinking I knew I wanted to do pearl white, right? No secrets here on my channel. I want to do pearl white, and I still want to do pearl white, but I'm thinking now that the pearl that I want is that Cadillac. I forget what they call it. I don't know, Arctic whatever, white or something. I'm not sure what the hell they call it. But long story short, you know, the kind that, like, when you shine an HID headlight on it, it kind of turns like purplish, kind of like a abalone shellish kind of, you know, throws off the cool color. I think the purple would really set it off nice, you know what I mean? Match the painted valve cover, which, by the way, on my, you know, on my videos, the valve cover definitely looks blue, but it's not blue. It's purple. Purple, purple, purple. Yeah. So, that's it for now. I don't even know what I'm going to put on here next, but we shall see. Peace.